Now that I know it's manure.
I caught that on camera. Say it again. She likes manures.
Manure, to be honest.
Oh, it's like totally
To be quite
black.
frank,
Look at this.
shit.
You can't like see it.
Oh! It's totally black.
miss
I
it.
can't see anything. So I'm gonna keep looking
Lightning
at nothing when the most amazing something
and fireworks
was happening.
at the same
there.
time. Come
Now
on.
that I know it's manure, it's fine, but just after that aftermath.
Oh yeah, the bathroom's gross. Human poop is gross.
It kind of smelled like that too. No,
You had the
no, it's
association.
chill.
Ooh, that was like
That was
zigga
nice.
zigga.
Let's
Now
get them
I'm
at the
down
same
waiting for
time.
like essential oils.
Oh,
How's that working for
say can. It's like totally black, but yeah, you're there. You are. There you are. There's a human.
Make the light.
Wait, we need a lightning to strike
then
behind
you're,
you.
you're juggling balls. That's how every show needs to start or end. Like you do it. Oh, there's another show over there. Oh, you can see them shooting up. That's kind of neat. I've never seen that.
Right.
Wow, I've never seen that. Okay, but you fireworks better not distract us from the lightning. Like,
Seriously.
I don't want to be looking over at you while that's happening. Oh god. Oh,
Dude, I totally got that on camera.
You did not.
I did too.
But you're taking video right
Yeah, I am.
Yeah.
with the most obnoxious, like, us in the background. Oh!
Yes!
Cool.
I believe it's called lightning.
Awesome, that's what I said. Woo!
That was awesome.
You can see like the ridge of the sand.
Yeah.
I would like a firework though. I want people to know the mix.
It'll come. Well, maybe not, maybe don't.
That's reassuring, Jenny.
I just, I don't want to give you false hope. Like,
Could come or that could be the end.
I don't want to say, like, I know.
Right.
Like, tell you that there's fucking Santa Claus. Then he not show up.
Then he not show.
That's the
Here it comes. Ready?
Yeah! Woo! Eric, you magician, you.
Yes! Give me some firework now.
I think so.
You want me to get it?
It's a firework. A little low one.
Come on, nature.
There it is!
Yes!
Nature.
Big one.
Look! Keep looking at me!
Don't stop!
Oh, we got our own little light show, right?
I think the fireworks people like take a break when they see the lightning because they don't want to compete, but I want them at the same time.
What if the people that are lighting the fireworks get choked?
That would be trouble. Oh!
Did I miss something?
Yes.
I'm gonna cry.
That's all right.
You know, it's like
You keep looking at the exact moment that
like
happened.
little roller skate shoes, the little wheels that pop out of the ends. Yeah. Totally missed out on us.
Is that the balloon fiesta stuff?
Yeah.
Right.
Woo! I have to do it every time.
What do you have to do?
That was like a Diablo. Did you see that? It was the shape of a Diablo.
What's a Diablo?
What's a Diablo?
Diablo? Bolo.
A circus toy.
Oh.
Whoa! Sorry.
They meant like the devil, like the devil's
Yeah, I
face
thought
showed
that
up in
too.
the lightning.
Did y'all?
Like, okay.
It almost shot the firework.
That one? That was
Yeah,
awesome.
Wow.
Like jellyfishy one.
Wow, I love those.
I
Those are my
like those.
favorite.
These are like
Yeah.
in the nature.
They totally probably could do that too, like a big old like Jesus firework, like oh.
They just did. You missed it.
Oh, man, I never see Jesus.
Did you see the one that was in the shape of an eagle swooping
Okay,
a shark
good,
out of
good.
the ocean?
I saw
that
that,
was-
one.
yeah.
I saw that one. It was
That
there,
one
right?
fucked me up. I can't
I
look at
manifested that one earlier.
I love those.
I
Those
like
are
those
pretty.
so much, because they're so like fractally.
I was just in Kansas
And they
for
feel
like
fragile.
light off like big fireworks like
Dang
that.
it.
It's completely
hanging.
I was filming her shoes.
Yeah.
Because they're all blinky.
Yeah. I thought it kind of fit in with the theme.
So Eric, I can tell you.
Right,
that
it's like super
Emma-
illegal.
I mean, Ellie
Yeah, I,
is the coolest kid
Bought
because
a bunch of fireworks.
like
in
all the
Tennessee one
when
time.
we did the clown thing at
And
the
then I just like
promo love
got
bazaar,
back to California.
all
with
the
them,
kids
and
were like
used it.
kind of freaked out.
Yeah.
She just like looked at me.
Ooh.
Sorry.
Okay, we're gonna not look at you while you
yeah,
tell
not-
the story.
Yeah, you can tell the story, but I need to
No,
stop
don't
looking
look
at
I'm
you.
not gonna look at you. Don't look at me. I'm not looking at you. And she just like looked at. Okay, wait. I'm gonna tell the story.
Please tell the
She
story.
just she would like look back at me and just like start laughing hysterically and then like reach out. Like I had this frame over my face and she would just reach through the frame and then she just like got it. And then Maru would have her like make her funny face and her ugly face and her scary face and she was just like all the other kids were like kind of like crying and scared over it and she was just laughing. Anyway, she just like
Yes, that was kind of the same time. I'm like waiting for this money shot.
Simultaneous release.
Not that the other kids aren't right for
There's
also
like
being
so much
scared.
thunder and
I know.
lightning. Beautiful at the same
But
time.
I just
It is.
Like if anybody cries, it's like tears of joy. Huh?
Yeah, and then especially with this rain, it kind of makes you like
Like oh,
just
I'm not crying.
That's like that.
Just wait for it, dude. Wait for it.
It's too windy to juggle these very well.
There you go, Charlie. There you go. Just walk the plank, baby.
Oh yeah. Walk us about. Hey, Eric, you gotta do this ball juggling.
Yeah, the light is crazy on it.
yeah, Charlie, yeah, good job, 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 Charlie, good job.
It's lightning up in there.
I know. Can we get a little lightning? Lightning on stage. Ah, there it was. Can we get a little lightning stage left? There it is.
That was like, that was